What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a simple Halloween pumpkin. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two small circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, go all the way around and up toward the top of our circle. Now we're going to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we're just going to line this up on the top and bottom. Let's add a smaller circle along the top for highlight, coming down and then back up. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's move in between the eyes in the center and draw a curve for the mouth. We're going to start on the left, coming down and up. Go back to the side. We're going to open up the mouth, coming down and then up towards the top. And then in the center of the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the tongue. And it'll fill the top half of the mouth in black. Now that we complete the face, let's draw those ridges across the top. We're going to start directly above the left eye. We're going to add a curve. We're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then bend that down, aiming towards the right eye. Let's add that same curve flipped over along the bottom. So directly underneath the left eye, coming down, go across, and then up towards the right eye. Let's add a fold along the top. We're going to start on the left, we're going to go up, come around, and then down. Do the same thing on the right side. And we want to do the same thing across the bottom. Start on the bottom left, coming down, and then we'll bend that up on both sides. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw that stem. We're going to start on the left, we're going to bend this up and across towards the right. Now on the end, we're going to draw an oval, coming down and then up. From the bottom of the oval, curve the stem coming in and then bend that out towards the right. Let's draw the outside of the pumpkin. On the left, we're going to step up towards the side of the stem. We're going to go up, go all the way around the side, come down. Now we're just going to tuck that in along the bottom. And we want to do the same thing on the right, going up and all the way around. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of a Halloween pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.